After breast reconstruction using a Latissimus flap, you can shower after 48 hours. You can exercise 1 week after your last drain comes out, and I want you to do exercises that don't involve bouncing. So start off with a stationary bike or something like that. You can go underwater and go swimming, assuming everything is healed up, 3 weeks after surgery. As far as incision care goes, your back incision is going to initially have glue on it because it's hard to get dressings to stay in place on the back. Once the glue comes off, we'll give you some paper tape, and you can paper tape that incision for up to 6 weeks following surgery. I'll also have you paper tape the incisions on your reconstructed breast up to 6 weeks following surgery, and at that point we can do a laser treatment of those scars if you would like. As far as compression garments go, initially, I don't want you wearing any compression garments. Once all the tissue looks healthy and is well perfused, I may put you in a gentle compression bra as well as a spandex shirt to help squeeze the tissue down and get those drains out a little bit faster. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.